Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get iPhone 14 Pro like dynamic island feature on any Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to download one application named as Dynamic Island. So I'll be leaving the download link of this application, that is I'll be providing the app developer download link. We have created this applications directly in the video description, so you can check the video descriptions and you can download these applications. Then after that, just open the application and you will see this kind of user interface. So nothing much about it, a very straightforward application. So the first option you are seeing here is a dot size. So you can just align the position of your dot, whether you are having a center camera cutout or a side cutout, so you can just move it. So you can see here, so you can just arrange it wherever you want to put it. So once your placement is done, you can see the third option, test animation. You can just click on this test animation. So you can see here, while searching you can click again while connecting your Bluetooth earphones. So you can see here, and below you can see like features not turned on. So you need to tap on all the permissions to allow. So just enable this Dynamic Island application and just move back. Once again tap on it, just go to this install apps and just enable this Dynamic Island again. Just turn it on, click on allow, just move back, and you can see your Bluetooth permission. You can just tap on it, just click on allow to give all the permissions. You can set the name and just click on show. You can set a custom name for your headset also, but right now I will keep as it is, and just tap on this feature not turn on, just tap it on. Now the feature is being turned on. Now let us check if it really gonna works or not. Now let me minimize this and say let me try to connect with my charger, and let us check if the animation pops up or not, as exactly like the iPhone 14 Pro. So here I have a charger cable, so let me try to connect it. So you can see here, so let me unplug it and let me try to connect my charger again. So you can see, so it's exactly showing the Dynamic Island features that is available in the iPhone 14 Pro smartphones. So using this application named as Dynamic Island, you can easily get iPhone 14 Pro like Dynamic Island features on any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.